Hello everyone, and today I'll talk about how long it takes to charge the Google Pixel 9 and the different charging method available. So, to charge your Pixel 9 as quickly as possible, simply grab your USB-C cable, which is sold separately, and plug it into your phone. Just like that, our phone has started charging. It will charge up your phone up to 55% in your 30 minutes. A full charge takes something about an hour. And the next method is wireless charging, so simply grab your Google Pixel 9, put it on the charging station, and it will start charging. So you can use your device while still charging it, right? The next awesome feature is your battery share. So battery share allows you to use your Google Pixel 9 to charge other devices. So let's enable it. Now let's turn it upside down and put another phone on it. So as we see, our phone is charging. So after full charge, the Pixel 9 can last up to 24 hours with regular use. If you activate Extreme Battery Saver, it can last up to 72 hours, especially this can be useful during long trips. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.